I'm at 40,000 miles. That means it's time to make the next video. Woohoo! Here we go. Okay, so since we ended with tires on the last 10,000 mile update series, we'll start with tires this time. In case you don't notice, these are not Michelins any longer. They are Bridgestones. When I went back in to check, the tread had worn down enough on all four tires that they were eligible to be replaced at a discounted rate. I think I ended up with about $280 off of the Bridgestones. Total for these were right around 800 and some change. So actually it wasn't too bad. These I ended up getting tires that had a better mileage. They are really good rated, and they're more of an all-weather condition for living here in Colorado. So that's about the tires. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out. Now I'll just show you a couple other things on the inside. Okay, so the first item I wanted to show you that that I've kind of had a little bit of complaint about. I don't know that I call it a complaint, but it has to do with, it's like the connection with your seating profile. Usually when you set up your seating profiles, we're also tied to your phone. Well, then when we link up with our phone, I've noticed I've been having some issues with, my wife. If it'll sync to her phone for some reason, even though mine's the priority phone. If I look in through here, you can set a priority device. So mine's the priority device, but hers is not. But yet for some reason, it syncs to her phone when I get in. And it's more annoying than anything. And I know it's kind of like, oh, boo-hoo-hoo. But it's just one of those things. It's kind of a little pet peeve of mine that it's syncing to her phone instead of mine. Or I've gotten in and it will say that it's synced to mine, but my seat will not adjust appropriately. Like half of it will move and the other half will stay with hers. So then I go back in, I have to touch here, touch my name. Well, not my name, Bruce Wayne, but touch that profile, and then it'll work back. Okay, so the other item that I do like that I'd found is a quick way, instead of just, you can push your button and say, open calendar or something like that. I found out that you can touch the clock, the clock button up here. You touch it, and then your calendar opens up. I had no idea. I just touched it. Now you can't touch it to close it. It won't do anything. You have to close it with the X or tell it to close down through the button. But anyway, thought I'd share that. I thought that was a nice feature that I just found out. It only took 40,000 miles to figure that out, or it was something new that they added and I had no idea. All right, so that's it. Those are the items for this last 10,000 miles. It was the tires. It was the minor bug issues with the software. I'm sure that'll get resolved here before too long. Tesla does a good job about sending out updates to take care of those items. So I expect a lot of those things to be worked out here before too long. But however, in the next 10,000 miles, if they aren't, I'll be sure to let you know. So we'll catch you in the next 10,000 miles at 50,000 miles. That's right, 50,000 miles. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.